guys, it's Janet Auto Surgery. Today we have a 2024 Honda HR-V 2-liter. I'm just gonna show you guys how to reset the oil change. Let's go with me, guys. This is the baby right here, just coming to finish to do oil change on it. Let's go together. We do oil reset on this. Now first we press this button here. You don't put your foot on the brakes to start because you don't want to start the vehicle. You push it twice. Once you push it twice, then you press on that little house right there. See, maintenance due soon, a service. Okay, so now once you end there, you press that little button here. You push it, boom. Once you push it, it says oil life at 10%. Then you hold it. You press and hold. Press and hold. See, as I do, press and hold. See, now it gives you maintenance reset A1. You just want only one thing. Okay, if you do a 9 item, you click on 9. If you do 7, 6, whatever item you're changing on that one, whatever service you do it. Since I'm doing only one service, is only that. If you go way down onto the up, it tell you all do item. So since I'm not doing everything, I just do the oil change only. I stay on the item A. You see, item A only, and then I press. See, once I press OK, then as you can see, it's 100%. All right, guys. So hopefully this video could help a friend, a family member. Please share this video, that video. If you like it, push. Thank you guys for watching that video. Hopefully that video could help friends and family member. Please share that video and subscribe. Psalm 23 verse 1 said, "The Lord is my shepherd, is your shepherd, is our shepherd. We should not want." Yes, please get ready.